Hey there, eggheads! Juan Carlos Bagnell here, and today we're taking a look at the latest keyboard from HyperX, the Alloy Origins Core. Keyboards are often overlooked when daydreaming about a new, slick gaming rig, but that's where the gaming rubber meets the road. The Alloy Origins Core has an aircraft-grade aluminum body, which is great for all your high-altitude gaming needs. It really gives you impressive rigidity and durability for a compact form factor. You have the choice between HyperX's red switches, which give a smooth linear key press, and their tactile Aqua switches, which have a noticeable bump when the switch activates. We have the version with the Aqua switches here in the studio, which in my opinion is the correct choice, and they're closest in functionality to Cherry MX Browns. So let's hear how they sound when we're typing away. HyperX switches are rated for up to 30 million more key presses than their competitors, like the Cherry MX series. That's a lot more key presses than you're probably going to need, but it's nice to know that you have lasting quality at your fingertips. The keys feature exposed LEDs, giving them brighter RGB effects with a pleasant, radiant glow that highlights the keycaps. HyperX's Ingenuity software gives you the ability to customize everything from macros to lighting effects and save up to 3 individual profiles to the Alloy Origin Core's onboard memory. The software also integrates with other HyperX products like gaming mice, headsets, and RGB RAM, giving your setup a ton of flexibility. 3 adjustable angles help keep your wrists in a comfortable position for hours-long gaming sessions or all-day slogs through a spreadsheet. Its compact design maximizes space on your desk, and it's easy to slip into a bag and take with you on the go. Like maybe you're taking your laptop to the coffee shop to play some Call of Duty, like you do, so now you can take your mechanical keyboard with you. Or maybe you have a MacBook. The Alloy Origins Core is powered by an included braided USB-C cable that feels pretty sturdy and gives you a nice amount of flexibility. A host of features like a game mode, anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover ensure accuracy when typing or gaming and prevent ghost presses that happen on some lower quality keyboards. If you're in need of a more compact keyboard but don't want to sacrifice any of the gaming features you've come to love, the HyperX Alloy Origins Core is a durable, customizable option that won't break the bank. The HyperX Alloy Origins Core is on sale now at Newegg. You can check the link in the description below for pricing and availability. For Newegg Studios, I'm Juan Carlos Bagnell. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, smash that bell icon, and I'll catch you all on the next video.